Alright, we have some new league equipment here for protests and actions. This is a little megaphone here. Let me pull back. I know everybody's getting dizzy with my film here, but well, what I didn't know is it has a record setting. So I can record myself saying anything and then have it repeat over and over again. So I'll show you here. I'm going to press play. And we'll set it down. You can get it to say anything you want. And then you can say something with having the mask on. So, justice for Kelly.